Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell my blind bag. It's Roblox Black blind bag. Common, uncommon, epic, legend. Blind bag. Common, uncommon, epic, legend. Which one do you get? Rosie, Lisa, Jenny. So, let's find it out. Body. So and which one do we get? Common, uncommon, epic or legend? Uncommon. So let's turn it back and take uncommon. Okay, so next is going to be face. Let's find out the face. Here is the face. So, next one is going to be hair. And now is shoes. So shoes. It's time for dress. It's time for dress. So let's open the dress. I'm so excited to see the burn bag. So, do anything else is there? No. So, by identifying this color here, yellow, nobody has it. Only it's rosy in Blackpink. So, let's take rosy. So, this is the blend bag for common, epic, legend blend bags. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the icon bell. Bye.